In JavaScript, the Object.create method creates a new object from a given prototype. The prototype serves as a foundational object from which new objects inherit copies of all its data. Next, we have a prototype object that represents a two-dimensional point. We've defined a distance method that calculates the distance between 2 points. We use Object.create to ensure our individual point objects inherit the distance method's functionality. This approach offers a significant advantage since distance functionality is defined only once, allowing future objects to easily inherit. Additionally, you have the option to include a properties object when using Object.create. This object allows you to define specific properties for the new object. The important property here is configurable being false. Since X's configurable property is set to false, we've de-dumbed JavaScript, making it impossible to delete the X property from our point object. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. If you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn more about objects in JavaScript, check out the video on screen now or in the link in the description. Ciao!